everyone. So today we're going to be cleaning out our chicken coop. We try to do this process about once a month. The hotter months that we're coming on, we're in June right now, so the hotter months we might have to do this about once every 2 weeks or maybe once a week, just to kind of keep disease and stuff from spreading, and the smell. We don't want the neighbors to be upset about the smell, so we might have to do this a little bit more frequently. But for you, that might dictate like where you live, what time of year, and how many chickens you have. We currently have 18 chickens, so we might see a little bit more frequency than we did whenever we had 12 chickens. So we'll play it by ear, but for now we're keeping on a 1 month cycle, and we're just gonna put some new hay in, clean their layer boxes, and then we should be ready to go. So come join me. We made this door on the bottom of our coop for days like today whenever we're cleaning it out. Using a rake really helps speed up the time it takes to do this task. For our bedding, we use straw. Straw has a lot of great properties that are beneficial for your chickens. Straw traps in air within its hollow stems, providing excellent insulation, keeping chickens warm in winter and cool in summer. While not the most absorbent material compared to wood shavings or pelletized bedding, it does soak up some moisture, which helps manage odors and keep the coop drier. Straw provides a soft and comfortable surface for chickens to walk on, nest, and rest. It's gentle on their feet and doesn't cause abrasions like wood chips. Chickens enjoy scratching, pecking, and nesting in straw. It can be mixed with scratch grains or black oil sunflower seeds to keep them curious and promote natural foraging. And compared to hay or sawdust, straw tends to produce less dust, which is better for respiratory health. Here are some things I would consider before choosing straw in your coop. Straw's hollow stems can provide hiding spots for mites and other parasites if not properly cleaned. If straw gets wet and isn't turned or replaced regularly, straw can mold fast, and it's bad for chickens' lungs and their overall health. Here I am just grabbing the last little bit of straw and droppings that are underneath the nesting boxes, and then after this, we should be ready to start putting new straw back into our coop. But before I can do that, I need to sift our sand for all the droppings, feathers, and straw, and rework our corners where they have burrowed into the cooler sand. I've got my helper with me, and she's not afraid to get a little bit dirty. I've raked up all of the waste into a pile, and I'm just sifting through it with a kitty litter scoop. I'm going to collect it all, and I'm going to put it on our compost pile. So all I'm going to be doing now is just putting down our hay into the bottom of our coop. I'm just going to loosely throw it in there, and that will encourage them to kick it around, scratch at it, and make their home how they want to. We use about a quarter bale, maybe a little bit less. It's plenty thick to collect all the droppings and cover all of the coop itself. So I'm standing in the run, reaching into the coop, places I can't get from the outside, making sure that we have total coverage. So here's one thing I did forget to mention, and it is our nesting pads. We use these. They're made of a plastic. They're really easy to wash. They're really easy to maintain. The only thing that really does stink about these is the straw does kind of get caught in there. But if you have a pressure washer, you can just spray this, or a garden hose. The thing that I did forget to mention is that the straw and poop mixture that we're cleaning out today, it is really good for your garden, but just be aware that if you didn't know, chicken poop is actually really acidic, so it's best to put it on like a compost pile like we have and let it sit for about a month. That'll kind of gross, but it'll off gas a lot of those acidic qualities and then be really good for your garden. So if you put it on your garden, I would probably wait at least a month. You could probably do it a little bit sooner, but it could really burn your plants and kill your vegetables that you're wanting to grow. So I recommend as soon as you collect it, putting it on your garden. I would definitely let it sit for a little bit. So thank you for watching this video. Pretty quick one, just cleaning out our chicken coop, the run, and the actual coop itself. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end, and we'll see you in the next video.